Try to break into another world I never knew. I was kinda wonder if you ever made it through. You seen a shooting star tonight, and I thought of you. Seen a shooting star tonight, and I thought of me. If I was still the same, if I ever became what you wanted me to be, need to miss the mark or overstep the line that only you could see. I seen a shooting star tonight, and I thought of me. Listen to the engine, listen to the bell, as the last fire truck from hell goes rolling by. All good people praying. This is the last invitation, last account. Last time you might hear the sermon on the mount. The last radio's playing. I've seen a shooting star tonight. Sleep away. Tomorrow's gonna be another day. Guess it's too late to say the things to you that you needed to hear me say. I've seen a shooting star tonight. Sleep away.
Muchas gracias. Y damas y caballeros, es un honor para nosotros esta noche. Si nos lo dicen hace 10 años, hace hoy 10 años que empezábamos en la Silla Colorada, un bar de la estación de tren, hoy cerrado por derribo. Si nos dicen hace 10 años que íbamos a estar aquí compartiendo escenario con este señor, nunca nos lo hubiésemos creído. Líder y fundador de los Immaculate Fools, el señor Kevin Ray Weather.
someone taller, won't you? I can't see these words. Un poco más luz, por favor. No, conocer las palabras, la canción Bob Dylan. Mi cabeza es lleno con la canción Immaculate Fools, lo siento.
Window, leave at your own chosen sleep. I'm not the one you want me. I'm not the one you need. You say you're looking for someone, never weak but always strong, to protect you and defend you, whether you are right or wrong. Someone to open each and every door, but it ain't me, baby. No, it ain't me, baby. It ain't me that you're looking for, baby. Lightly on the bed, lightly on the ground. I'm not the one you want me, I will only let you down. You say you're looking for someone who will promise never part, someone to close his eyes for you, someone to close his heart, someone who will die for you and more. But it ain't me, baby. No, it ain't me, baby. It ain't me that you're looking for, baby. Back into the night, babe. Everything inside is made out of stone. There's nothing else moving, and anyway, I'm not alone. You say you're looking for someone, pick you up each time you fall, to gather flowers constantly, come each time you call. Loving for your life and nothing more. But it ain't me, babe. No, it ain't me, babe. It ain't me that you're looking for, babe.
thank you very much.
She belongs to me.
Maybe.
One, two. She's got everything she needs. She's an artist, she don't look back. She's got everything she needs. She's an artist, she don't look back. She can take the dark out of the nighttime and paint the daytime black. You will start out standing, proudest little anything she sees. You will start out standing, proudest little anything she sees. She will wind up peeking through a keyhole down upon your knees. She never stumbles, she's got no place to fall. She never stumbles, she's got no place to fall. She's a nobody's child in the law can't touch her at all. She wears an Egyptian ring, sparkles just before she speaks. She wears an Egyptian ring, sparkles just before she speaks. She's a hypnotist collector and you are a walking antique. I bow down to her on Sundays, salute her when her birthday comes. Bow down to her on Sundays, salute her when her birthday comes. For Halloween, give her a trumpet, and for Christmas, you can buy her a drum. She's got everything she needs. She's an artist, she don't look back. She's got everything she needs. She's an artist, she don't look back. She can take the dark out of the nighttime and paint the daytime black.
sin guitarra y monitor, por favor. Sí, muy bueno.
Ain't gonna work on Maggie's farm no more. Ain't gonna work on Maggie's farm no more. Wake up in the morning, pull my head to pray for rain. Got a head full of ideas, they're driving me insane. She say the way she makes me strap the floor. Ain't gonna work on Maggie's farm no more. Ain't gonna work for Maggie's brother no more. Ain't gonna work for Maggie's brother no more. Hands you a nickel, hands you a dime. That's you with a grin, maybe you're having a good time. Then he finds you every time he stands the door. Ain't gonna work for Maggie's brother no more. Ain't gonna work for Maggie's farm no more. Ain't gonna work for Maggie's farm no more. He puts his cigar out of your face down for kicks. Bedroom window, it is made out of bricks. The National Guard, they stand around the door. We're gonna work for Maggie's farm no more. Ain't gonna work on Maggie's farm no more. Ain't gonna work on Maggie's farm no more. I try my best to be just like I am. Everybody wants to be just like them. They just sing while you sleep and I just get bored. Ain't gonna work on Maggie's farm no more. Yeah, 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 yeah.
very much. Enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you. Good night.
Bueno, comprenderéis que es un poco difícil volver aquí con música de 4 pesetas después de lo que hemos visto, pero espero que no se os ha, seguro que se os ha hecho corto. Pero bueno, habéis pagado 5 pavos, tampoco. Así que vamos a tirar de un clásico para intentar ganaros de vuelta. Y si os portáis bien al final, a lo mejor hay una sorpresa y todo.
Down before you call in the man. How many seas must the white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? How many times must the cannonball fly before they're forever banned? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Listen, how many years can a mountain exist before it is washed to the sea? his head and pretend that he just doesn't see. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Isn't how many times can a man look up before he can see the sky? Isn't how many ears does one man have before he can hear people cry? Isn't how many days will it take till we know? Too many people have died. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind.
Muchas gracias. Tenemos otro invitado más. Es un personaje mítico de la escena coruñesa, ¿eh? Raro que no lo hayáis visto en muchas peligrosas, además. Empezó con un grupo mítico tocando el bajo, los Viuda Gómez e Hijos. Sí. Y ahora toca con un proyecto que se llama En Casa del Herrero, que está de puta madre. Está mal que lo diga yo, ¿eh? No. Señor Carlos Clarins. Este es el blues de Pulgarcito.
In the rainy worries, and it's just a truth. And your gravity's down, and negativity don't put you through. Don't put up any years when you're down a room or cabin. They can sound hungry, remember, they're really making less out of you.
You say nanny, instead of things alive. Cannot move, fingers are all in and now. We're not have the strength to get up and take another shot. And the best friend you talk to wouldn't even tell me what it is I've got.
Melinda, the person's call I got is so good. She speaks good English and she puts you up into her room. And you're so kind and careful not to get it yourself. And she thinks you're best and leaves you hiding at your move.
started bugging deeper, some heated hotter stuff. Everybody said to stand behind me, but the game got rough. But the joke was on me, there was nobody even there to call my bluff. I'm going back to New York City to believe I've had enough. I'm going back to New York City to believe I've had enough.
Carlitos Clery.
¿Me puedes dar un poco de guitarra en el monitor mío, por favor? Bueno, me voy a permitir la última frivolidad y voy a cantar una última canción. Es una canción que llevaba tiempo con ganas de interpretar y bueno, esta ocasión me ha brindado la posibilidad, así que vamos a darle un poco de caña.